Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Smart Coding. In this video I'm going to show you a short intro of the upcoming brand new application that I've developed in Angular 13, and let's take a look at that. So the one that you're seeing on my screen, that's the brand new application that I've already built and deployed to Azure so that you can view as well. So what this app does, this app is basically displaying various products that a shop is trying to sell, and as a customer when you visit, you'll be able to browse through various products and you can see the details of the products, and you can add it to your wish list, and later you can initiate to buy the product. Okay, so I've not done too detail of this, but whatever is basics to get started for an Angular, I've covered a lot of topics. Come, let's take a look at the application. So this is the home page. Here already the products are displayed, and if you browse down, if you have something in your wish list, this will be added here. And if I have to view a particular product, I can actually go and click on the product, say view details. It will take me to a different route, a particular one, and then it is going to show you some loading message and it will display the details. Okay, so the APIs behind the scene which is pulling up all these details are here. This is also a brand new, so I will post this video as a separate web API tutorial video. Whoever is interested can take a look at that, but let's stick to the topic. So I'm going to consume all these APIs in this project and it is displaying these details. And if you see, there are a couple of images uploaded. I can change so that it changes here. And to the right side, the related products are showing up. You can click here, that changes as well, and then you can see what is category, what kind of description it is, title, price, everything. This looks like a day-to-day shopping that we do on a famous website, right? I hope you might have figured out where I've mimicked. Good. If you have an answer for that, do comment it in the comment box and let me see who guesses that first. Okay, so now I can also click on the product here. It goes to the product page where all the products are displayed. I can sort this based on the category. I can filter it here, right? If there is something there, it is going to display. And if I put everything, I can also filter here by typing, as and when you type, it's going to filter it. And let's say I'm adding this to my wish list. Okay, you can see a message coming up. This is a real time. This product has been added to my list, and here if I go, the one that I added will show up here. So you can also go from here, and if you come to home page now, the one that you added here is displaying as my wish list. Okay, so that's how you attract the customer, right? You keep tracking what they are doing and you also display. Even if I refresh this, it's going to come back. That's how it is done. And you can also manage the product. This is done using the reactive forms. Earlier I used to put the video separately, but I've decided I have to cover many good things in this, an easy way of developing an Angular application. And if you see this one, you can create a product, like you can name the product, and then you can select the categories, you can save, and all the validations are in place. Based on the category that you select, even the prices changes. You see this for the soap, this is 5. For the toy category, maybe it will be different, right? So we will take a look at that as well. And then you can create a product. Like I said, you can manage the product. So in order to prevent unwanted changes to the real-time website here, what I've done is, though you can see a lot of product here, I have permitted to edit only 2 products as a user. You can create more products here and then you can edit. There is no restrictions, but there are certain products which are restricted, you cannot edit. Only these 2 you can edit. I hope you will not edit the real-time product because these are just for the demo. But that's fine. You can always create your own product and edit it. So I'm going to show you how the edit will look. So you see this, you can see the content here. You can update it, the category, you can change the files, you can upload more files. If I try to upload, so I can click on upload file and I can choose some files here. Let me choose just for this demo purpose, right? So I'm gonna choose, so let me choose this one. So I'm gonna open it. You see this, there was another item added and it also shows it's successfully uploaded, it's being processed. You can see all those 5 files, right? So the new one, we have added it. So you can always go back and you can check this, and if you even go to this place, the one that we added, the fifth item also showing up here, right? So if you do something on this website, it's going to reflect live. And what else? Yeah, so all these things are there. I'm going to keep this, and so most of the features are there now. I have left intentionally few things that I will tell you while I'm showing up the real complete application. That's kind of a task for you guys. Like if you're interested, you can also fulfill that, so that you learn quickly and you learn very good, and you can raise a PR, I can approve it, we can merge it to the main code, and it will be nice to show which user has done this. So we will get to that. So not only that, I'm going to keep this application as a base application, and eventually I will also build the authentication part here, right? You will be able to add the authentication authorization mechanism. So you will learn more about token and MSAL and other those things. So you will learn about MSAL, token authentication, and various features that I will add one by one. So we're going to keep this UI application as the base, and we're going to keep this backend application also the base. So they both to go together. So we will see more, and I hope you like this application. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the complete tutorial shortly. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.